Hello, my name is Evan Shelton and I'm a senior mechanical engineer at the University of Iowa. Today I will be speaking about this field, what opportunities it can bring, and specifically about Iowa's program. The first question is, what is mechanical engineering? At its core, it is the study of objects and systems in motion. We use our knowledge of this to plan processes, design products, and to really just bring concepts to life. Mechanical engineering offers a lot of career paths. Common ones include research, design, and teaching. Engineers can work for the government, in the private industry, and academia. There are many non-technical routes that can be taken as well. For instance, management is very common for experienced engineers later in their careers. In general, an engineering degree shows that you are able to figure out and solve complex problems, and that is valued regardless of where you choose to go. Mechanical engineering is also one of the broadest fields out there, and as you can see, they are hired by industries across the board, the most well-known being aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing. But they are also needed in heavy construction, computer hardware, energy, medical devices, the list goes on and on. The state of Iowa itself is home to a number of well-known industries. Here's just a brief list of some of our main employers. And as we've seen, these industries vary widely in specialization and purpose, showing how versatile a mechanical engineering degree is. Specifically, some of our biggest employers include John Deere, PepsiCo, and Raytheon Technologies. Now, here's just a video to showcase one example of the day in the life of a mechanical engineer.
My name is Navay Anandaraja, and I'm a mechanical engineer for alloy product development. Me specifically, I work with the 3D geometry and the design. So this product is the one that I most recently worked on. It's the new studio headphone by Beats by Dre. After the concept generation, we figure out exactly what's the best way to put that together that achieves all of these constraints that we have. One thing that we always talk about is how's it going to look like when it's on the head? With this headband alone, I've probably made 30 different prototypes. And then in terms of just like on my computer, how many different versions? It's hundreds. I don't even want to think about it. The application that we use the most is CAD, computer-aided design. So it's like creating 3D geometry on your computer. Then taking these prototypes, testing them, breaking them, figuring out where the faults are, we iterate and do more prototypes. So this phase sort of constantly goes throughout almost the entire development cycle until you've completely finalized the product.
Now, I'll talk more specifically about the University of Iowa's College of Engineering. Our department consists of 21 faculty members. Their duties involve teaching classes, hosting office hours, conducting research, and many even advise student organizations. Mechanicals make up the second largest group out of all the engineering disciplines at Iowa and have an undergraduate enrollment of 432 students. There are also 46 graduate students in either a master's or PhD program. What classes will you take as a mechanical engineer? For your first few semesters, some of the fundamentals include calculus, physics, and dynamics. Later, you will study topics such as fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfers, and materials. Computer-aided design and manufacturing courses are also important to the curriculum. At Iowa, students will also choose an elective focus area, or EFA, as part of their graduation requirements. We currently have 4 to choose from: design, energy and the environment, manufacturing, and robotics and autonomous systems. First, I'll discuss design. It provides an in-depth background in the computational methods commonly used in modeling, simulation, and optimization of mechanical and energy systems. By the end, students will develop skills in the effective design practices and work extensively with CAD and finite element analysis software. Those interested in aerospace and vehicle design would greatly benefit from this focus. While design might be thought of as focusing on the performance of a part or system, We need individuals to know how to make those components. This is where manufacturing comes in. This focus covers a broad range of processes in modeling, simulation, and experimentation activities, all focused on the conversion of materials into products. The automotive industry is one of the biggest employers of manufacturing engineers. The energy and the environment provides an advanced education in the increasingly important area of energy production and its environmental impact. Particular attention is paid to emerging technologies. Engineers working in this area must not only possess heat and mass transport modeling abilities typical of mechanical engineers, but also a great level of understanding of the sustainability of those systems. Autonomy is a multidisciplinary field encompassing robotics, cyber-physical systems, sensing, and control theory. Applications include self-driving cars, medical-assisted devices, and industrial manufacturing robots. This is an actively and rapidly growing area of research, with many industries investing heavily into the development of autonomous vehicles. The photo on the left shows faculty in one of our robotics labs programming a robot used to help teach students in this focus area. Students do have the option of customization by requesting and gaining permission to complete a tailored elective focus area. With this, students may choose their individual classes or get a minor or certificate to satisfy their focus requirements. At Iowa, there is an incredible amount of engineering student orgs to choose from. They include local chapters of nationally recognized societies and technical teams that focus on student competitions. Student organizations are a fantastic way to develop your skills, connect with your peers, and build professional networks. As a senior, some of the advice I can give to new students is to become active in a club that draws their interests. Outside of engineering, the University of Iowa as a whole has over 500 different organizations and clubs to choose from. There is definitely something for everyone. Thank you for watching this video, and good luck with your college admission decisions. We hope you consider applying to the University of Iowa College of Engineering. Thank you.